Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Lahari. Here you can see a code. This code is a simple Telegram bot implementation using the node telegram bot API library. Here's a breakdown of how it works. At first I'll explain how to import and initialize the bot. Here you can see here require node telegram bot API. It imports the library to interact with the telegram bot API. Here you can see the token. This is my telegram token, and here you can see the bot. It creates a bot instance with the polling mode, which allows it to listen to users messages in real time. It defines stories. Here you can see here stories like horror, comedy, inspiration. The stories an objective that categorizes different types of stories. Here you can see horror, comedy, and inspiration, and so on. Each category contains an array of story strings. It is used to send random stories to users when they request a specific category. You can see here, if I ask horror, it gives an horror story, and like that it gives a comedy, and it gives some inspiration quotes. Now coming to down, here you can see start command, bot on text. Here you can see bot on text. This listens for the /start command and triggers the callback function, and you can see message.chart.id, this unique ID of the chart where the command was sent. And you can see here bot.send message. It sends a welcome message listening available commands. And here you can see how it handles the story categories. Each category, here you can see horror, comedy, inspiration, has its own command. Yeah, here you can see null command. It triggers a response for a specific category. Random story selection. Math.random generates a random number multiplied by the array's length and rounded down. Math.floor. It selects a random index, and here you can see parse mod. It formats the text with markdown, example bold, italic, or emojis like that. The same logic applies for comedy or inspiration with the respective categories. And handle unknown commands. Board.on, it listens to all messages. And command validation, it converts users input to lowercase, and it checks if it's not in the valid commands array. If it's not valid, the bot sends a polite error message. And now I will explain how it works. At first, user interaction. A user sends start bot, sends the greeting and available categories. And a user sends horror bot, it replies with a random horror story. Or a user sends an unknown command, bot replies with an error message. Now random stories. Each time a category command is called, a random story is selected and sent back. Graceful error handling. An unrecognized input triggers a helpful message guiding the user. Here you can see this is my chatbot. Here you start with /start. It gives some example. If I enter /horror, it gives a small horror story. If I enter /comedy, it gives a comedy like thing. And if I give /inspiration, it gives some inspirational quotes. If I give anything randomly, it normally gives an error message. So this is how I created, and I write JavaScript code. Thank you.